everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is October 20th, 2021, and Bitcoin is looking triumphant. We've just hit all-time high, right? And I did not believe that we would. If you're subscribed to the channel, you'll know I've been saying we've been looking toppy for some time. We probably are still quite toppy. But to be honest with you, I have no clue when this channel, when this sort of impulse to the upside will break. It seems as if, and I've actually, as you'll see, I've removed my Elliott wave count because I thought 60K was the top, right? Thereabouts, right? We came back down and we formed this top. Now, what does that mean? Like right now, we're headed all the way up if we have a target of the top of this channel to 68K. Okay, that's the top of this channel. And you can see that just given the previous kind of low, if we take the fibs on the previous low, here, let's zoom in a little bit. If we take the fibs off the previous low, we see that 65,808, which we've just surpassed, is about the 1618 of the previous swing low. Okay, so the 2 would be 67,438. But the top of this channel is at 68. I'm not exactly sure. The B wave and charting, where you're going to go is only as good as your initial 5 waves. And it's humbling, And it's part of the reason I love technical analysis. It's completely humbling. One day you feel like you know exactly where the price is going, you're trading it, you're making tons of money. And then other days you feel like a complete fool who knows absolutely nothing about what's going on. And it's times like this that really it keeps you honest, it keeps you humble, and it keeps you sort of on your toes, because the market does whatever it does, right? It's been a very slow moving market. It's been very crabby. It's been bearish looking, right? And yet and still, we're here. We're here at 6644 on the Bitstamp chart, and we have a huge, strong green candle to the upside, right? And does it mean throw your charts away, never use technical analysis? No. But it does mean that there are limits. There are limits to at least, individuals' ability to be consistent in charting this kind of stuff, right? However, it does look like we've maintained the integrity of this channel. And for those of you who are subscribed, I said a few episodes ago that when I was counting waves, because at 60K, I thought that we were pretty much done for, right? Around 60K, around this top, I thought this was the end. We went down and came back up, right? I said I was going to only use channels to do my Elliott wave counts. Issue with channels is when you don't know to count it until after it's either broken the channel in one way or the other, right? So it's challenging. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I have answers today. I don't. And I hope that's helpful. I hope that's useful. I hope that's educational, because at the same time, if I feel like I know something and the price goes in the direction that I thought it was, that is helpful, because I can tell you, okay, I used this and that analysis to derive this answer, and that's what I got. But on the other hand, I think this is also educational, right? For instance, I got stopped out again. I didn't get stopped out for much, but still, I'm learning a ton. I'm learning about the limits of my own abilities right here and right now. Do I want to get better? Of course. Can I get better? I think it's possible, right? Can I get to a point where I can know that this uptrend was to continue? Yes, I do believe that's true, and I'm going to strive to do that. But I just also want to share my vulnerabilities. I want to share my challenges. I want to share my losses, and I hope that's helpful and hope that's useful and educational, because I don't think it just goes one way. I think you have to learn from the losses just as much as you learn from the wins, and you learn from the triumphs and successes as you learn from the vulnerabilities and inadequacies or shortcomings, right? And this is a shortcoming of mine. I'm having trouble, as you guys can see, counting these waves up, and my B wave count is just as good as my 5 waves up. And if I can't count 5 waves up, then I can't even count the A wave. I can't count the B wave. Like, this can't be an A wave. Oh, well, this can be an A wave technically. Let's see. Can it be an A wave? I'm not hoping or anything. I'm just, for argument's sake. No, this can no longer be an A wave because this has invalidated. This green candle has surpassed the 1618, right? So this is no longer an A wave, which means it's at the very least a 4 wave, and this is a 5 wave, okay? So that's the issue with trying to chart and count prematurely and outside of a channel, okay? And so who says this? There's one technical analyst that I like who says this. He basically says, if it hasn't broken the channel, then it's still in an uptrend. I'm not treating it or trading it otherwise. It is completely valid until it is broken the uptrend. Now, issue with that is, should you long from here? No, it doesn't make sense as well, because it's at almost the top of the channel. If anything, you want to long from the bottom of the channel if you see that it's trending upwards from the bottom of the channel or from the middle of the channel, right? Because you can see here, we've kept the middle of the channel down, middle, up, middle, down, middle, up, middle, up. So that's basically it. I don't have many answers for you today. I still hope that this was educational and that you appreciate my sharing this all with you. I really do value the purpose of this channel being educational, and I'm learning, I'm growing, I'm going to get better, and I hope you do too. So that's it for me today. Hope you guys have a great one. Bye.